Started from the bottom, now we're here. Gentlemen, brothers, architects of the future, welcome back. I am masculinity architect Duwayne Langham, developing mature masculine leadership for this modern world. Fellas, I got another public service announcement coming up this weekend, Saturday, July 29th, the place that you want to be. The great psychological mind, Vidal Webb, the science of manhood, the architect himself. We're putting on a series of men's workshops this Saturday, July 29th is the first one in just a few short days in the Atlanta metro area, and you are not going to want to miss out. The irrefutable truths of manhood. Ooh, that's some good shit. And I'm popping in again to drop you with a little something to wet your beak, to tickle your taste buds, to let you know what we're going to be diving in these series of men's workshops. Now, we touched on the three things. What are these irrefutable truths of manhood? Purpose, courage, and dependability. That's why we're taking number 2, courage. So what do you need to know as a man in these modern times of 2023 about courage in your life? Courage, gentlemen, is demonstrated as a capacity to be in action in the face of fear, risk, and unknown challenges. So let's get right into the nitty-gritty. Why is courage such an irrefutable truth of manhood? Because, gentlemen, brothers, architects of the future, if you know anything about manhood, the first thing about manhood is that it is a cold, harsh environment. The world of men, the world of masculinity, nobody gives a fuck about your feelings. So when we're talking about facing risk, pain, suffering, adversity, anxiety, fear, if you want access to your manhood, suck it up and face it anyway. Now, by no means does this remove the humanity of what we as men in our manhood must take on to take on courage. In no way, shape, or form. Again, I reiterate, this is action in the face of. Feel the fear, feel the anxiety, feel the stress, feel the uncertainty, look at those challenges, look at the risk, feel the pain, do it the fuck anyway. This is an irrefutable truth of manhood, gentlemen. You must earn your status. A legacy isn't handed out. Something to be left behind after your lifetime is over does not just magically happen. You must have purpose. You must possess the courage to step up and step out. Why? Because I've told you before, gentlemen, you are your masculine expression. Vidal can't do it for you. Duwayne can't do it for you. Your daddy, your uncle, your brother, and your cousin cannot do it for you. If you are going to leave a mark, if your life is going to mean something, have purpose in this world, you're going to have the courage to get up, get out, and earn your status, to earn your legacy, to chop the wood, build something in yourself so that you can build something out in the world brick by brick, day by day, like every other motherfucker before you. Yes, gentlemen, if you can't tell, this is the way of our forefathers. This is what war and battle and striving was built upon, is that manhood is based in courage. So how do we do this? You got to get comfortable with being uncomfortable. You've got to divorce and separate, uncollapse action and performance from it feeling good, being easy, being predictable, knowing what's going to happen with certainty in order to venture into the unknown. This is where masculine expands, evolves, grows. Masculine, manhood, men, the guides of society. We go out first. That is why we are the lead. That is why we are looked at to be leaders, is because we go first so that we can come back and bring the direction, the guidance to our village so that the strong can survive and that the wise can excel. Bottom line is you've got to condition yourself to access the rewards to face with courage, still be in action to move forward. Don't believe me? Did we get it wrong? Does courage have nothing to do with manhood in your book? Got a workshop coming up. We're simply other brothers, men on the path, on the course of mastery, sharpening our tools, iron on iron. And if you want to tell us different, this Saturday, July 29th is the place to be. This men's workshop, the irrefutable truths of manhood, is the discussion, is the space to be in. And I've already told you about the added benefits of fellowship, community, and brotherhood. Is there any question of anything else you would rather be doing? And in the meantime, I'm going to be right here, being the best version of myself. One could say, beyond empowered. The question is, fellas, who are you going to be? Peace.